Remember last year's no more social media doom scrolling? Yeah, me too. Or the eat healthy plan that survived right up until the first pizza craving. If that feels uncomfortably familiar, here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Your resolutions didn't fail because you're lazy. They failed because your brain was always going to sabotage them. But in this year, you can change that. Today, the psychology of why resolutions flop and 3 brain hacks to make yours stick. If you're ready to win this year, let's dive in. Every January, something called the fresh start effect tricks us into thinking a new date equals a new identity. So we aim big, get fit, fix my life, become disciplined. But your brain hates big change. It's built for efficiency, not transformation. The moment your routine feels even slightly uncomfortable, your brain pulls you back to what's familiar, not because it's better, but because it's easier. Every resolution is a battle against ingrained habits, and without the right strategy, you lose. Studies show 88% fail by February, often in the first 2 weeks. And here's the sneaky part. Setting a goal gives you a dopamine hit, like a mini reward. But following through? No quick wins there. Motivation fades. Friction shows up, decision fatigue, missed days, guilt, and suddenly, quitting feels like relief. That's why most resolutions quietly die. Sound familiar? Comment your biggest flop below. So if you want this year to be different, stop relying on motivation. Instead, work with your brain, not against it. Hack 1. Drink the habit. Don't say, work out more. Just put on your shoes. Not read every night. Open the book for 1 page. Tiny actions rewire your brain without triggering resistance. Psych expert BJ Fogg calls this micro habits. They create momentum, turning impossible into automatic. In 2026, pair it with AI apps for gentle reminders. Start small, win big. Hack 2. Remove decision-making entirely. Use if-then planning. If it's 7 a.m., then I walk for 5 minutes. No debating, no negotiating. The habit runs on autopilot. Research from Peter Gollwitzer shows this boosts success rates by 200 to 300% because it bypasses procrastination. Your brain loves routines, so make change feel like one. Try it with your phone's calendar alerts and watch resistance melt away. Hack 3. The most powerful. Change your identity. Don't say, I'm trying to eat healthy. Say, I'm someone who eats like this. James Clear in Atomic Habits explains this taps into self-concept, making behaviors feel natural instead of forced. Track your wins visibly, like a streak app, to reinforce it. When a habit matches who you believe you are, willpower becomes optional. It's not about perfect, it's about progress. So this year, don't ask, what goal should I set? Ask, who do I want to become? And what's the smallest action that proves it? If this hit a little too close, you're not alone. Comment which resolution you're restarting with these hacks, like if it motivated you, and subscribe for more psych tools to level up your life. Make this year your year. See you next time.